right, good morning and welcome to another edition of America Makes Game Day at Rapid TCT 2019. I'm here with Louis. He is from Ultimaker. And how we came about to this location here at the Game Day desk is I was walking around the exhibit and I saw beer bottles. And so I was highly intrigued, and so I had to find out more. And I thought, well, if I'm this intrigued, we should definitely share this with all of our viewers. So, Louis, how did Ultimaker come about? Like, how did you get in with working with Heineken and beer bottles?
Sure, so we don't make beer.
Okay, no beer making.
Heineken is a Dutch brand, but we're a Dutch 3D printing company that started in 2011.
Interesting.
We sell a desktop 3D printer that's used in industrial environments, professional environments, or individuals. And the reason you see Heineken in our booth is 2 days ago they helped launch a case study that talks about how they use additive manufacturing in the bottling plants around the world.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
That is. Can you give us an example of maybe like how they use it? Is it secret
Sure.
or?
So what Heineken says is production continuity is key, which means the bottling or can line never stops.
Okay.
And if it does, it's thousands of dollars a minute, an hour, and because if a part breaks and they're in the middle of wherever, in this case Seville, Spain, they might have to wait maybe even a week for a part.
Oh my gosh.
That's a lot of money waiting, that's a lot of beer not being made, that's a lot of customers not being served. So what they started to do is to design and print their own replacement parts, but they started to see, since you have the opportunity to make any shape, they can also improve upon it.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so this is a piece that you'll see in the video. It's a simple can pusher, so when finished 6 packs of Heineken are coming down the line, they have to start handling them and sending them to different processes. The old one was very thin and would bend and break.
Oh gosh.
So this bolts on, it's a direct replacement, but it's stronger, it's a little thicker, and works better than the original. So for them, it's how to fulfill a need for spare parts, sourcing, supply chain, but they're not trying to cannibalize that industry. What they'll do is they'll share this part with the manufacturer of that piece of machinery. They'd rather make beer, but they have to maintain their machines like any business, any factory, any brewery. So what they'd rather do is have the manufacturer start doing this and create what they're calling like a digital warehouse.
Yeah.
So your ERP systems has this bottle pusher in it, and you click download and print, in this case on the Ultimaker S5. So yeah, that's what you're going to see in the video. You'll hear them talk about kind of a global initiative that they're piloting. I mean, they have hundreds of breweries. Their dream is that all of them have this capability because they have many, many different breweries that are in remote locations, Mexico and Congo and things like that.
That is so intriguing because when I think additive, I know everyone says if you can think it, you can design it. But like I said, when I walk by and I see beer bottles, I kind of got
I mean, these are touching real products. This is not prototyping. These are end-use products. This is tough PLA, so it's an ABS-like product. In many cases, it's performing better than the stuff it's replacing, which is usually Palm or Delrin or things like that.
Okay, so that's so neat because throughout the conference here, I've been hearing a lot of point of need, or I think Mayo said point of care.
Right.
And so what yourself and Heineken are doing are really a point of need, but within each beer distribution facility.
Yeah, it's a true solution. They're like, what's the problem? How can we, address it and maybe improve upon it? You have the same amount of time. This may have cost $1 and taken an hour and a half to print versus waiting, a week and costing who knows how much.
That's so neat. So to wrap up, do you have like a website that people can go to and look at the video and be able to see what's going on over at Ultimaker?
If you visit ultimaker.com, you'll see the case study about Heineken and production continuity, and then just contact us. We do site scans. I'm part of an application engineering team that does business development, and we're there to help people.
That's awesome.
We want to work together. So.
Well, I will probably never look at another 6-pack the same after seeing this week and hearing the story about that. And I look forward to watching what Ultimaker continues to do.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today. It was a pleasure.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.